The city put out an RFP for developers to come up with a proposal for a mixed-use building on this corner.
We own other sites in Rochester, but they were not conducive for what's before you here. A beautiful downtown organic grocery store with market rate housing above.
It's a 62-unit apartment complex with Studio 1s, 2 and 3 bedroom apartments. I actually live here in the building as well, and so it's very nice. We get a lot of great feedback from the tenants.
So this corner is really a cornerstone, which has been dedicated as the city's urban village.
It really anchored this end of downtown, and that is what the city was after through the urban village design guidelines, standards.
And with Rochester, it's very much a big town, small city. We got a lot of employees from Mayo. Walking distance is a huge thing. Downtown, where there's bars, restaurants, gallerias, it's a very good atmosphere. So it's the whole idea of live, work, play.
The credit really goes to our team, people like Jim Pancras that shared my vision, the construction leader, Jeff Weiser, and of course, Michelle Schrei, general manager of the People's Food Co-op.
This is a great example of a public-private partnership. So we work closely with the City Public Works Department on the design of the street and the parking and the bump outs and the streetscapes for both streets that really allowed for a great integration of the street and the building.
One thing that gets overlooked that I love most of all about the co-op is its familial experience. You're a member, you're an owner, you belong to a family. I really like that part of the People's Food Co-op, and I'm thrilled to have them as a tenant.
And so being here with this building and Rochester being so diverse, I have people from London, Dubai, Australia, and people locally from here as well. But once you have these mix of individuals together, it's a fun little community.
They really wanted a project they could point to and simply say, this is what we want for a model for future projects.
You really are gaining those relationships that really makes you want to stay in Rochester and be here.
For a project of this size to be done in less than 3 years speaks volumes to the team. And this whole end of downtown is just going to get better and better and better.